Hey friends, it's Mrs. Sargent, your elementary school librarian. Up through third grade, you all have learned the Super 3 method for research. Well, in fourth grade, we begin learning the Big 6 method of research strategies. Our lesson objectives for today are that number 1, you will be able to identify the 6 steps in the Big 6 research process. Number 2, you will be able to identify the tasks within each step. And number 3, you will apply the Big 6 steps to beginning your own research. Here are the standards that we will cover in this lesson. Now, all of these standards talk about research in fourth grade and beyond. So the Common Core Standard for ELA writing talks about conducting short research projects that build knowledge through investigation of different aspects of a topic. And the ISTE standard, students again are employing research strategies to locate information. And the AASL standards are the school library standards. And in those, learners think, display curiosity and initiative by formulating questions about a topic and recalling prior and background knowledge. All right, let's begin our lesson. Number 1, let's start with the pre-assessment quiz in the Blendspace lesson that you have access to. Number 2, I would like you to watch the Big 6 video that is after the pre-assessment in the Blendspace lesson. Number 3, you're going to use the handout to answer questions and organize your thinking. And then I would like you to watch the conclusion video.